Hello, my amazing YouTube friends. Welcome back to another drawing tutorial. Today we're going to draw this character step by step in a fun and easy way using just a pencil. Whether you're a beginner or you already love drawing, this tutorial is for you. Just follow the guidelines and the instructions that will appear throughout the video, and take your time with each step. Remember, every great drawing starts with a few simple lines. Don't worry if your drawing isn't perfect at first, just enjoy the process and keep practicing. So grab your pencil, your paper, and let's draw together. Let's get started. Before we continue, if you haven't subscribed yet, now is the perfect time. Subscribe to the channel so you never miss any of my future drawing tutorials. Every week I upload new videos where you'll learn how to draw amazing characters step by step in a fun and easy way. And if you're enjoying this tutorial, don't forget to leave a like. Your support helps the channel grow and allows me to create even more videos for you. Now let's continue with our drawing. Have you finished your drawing? I'd absolutely love to see it. Send it to my Facebook page, which is appearing on your screen right now. Every week I choose some of my favorite drawings to feature in future videos, just like the amazing artwork you're seeing today. It doesn't matter if you're just starting or if you've been drawing for years, I can't wait to see your creativity. So don't be shy and send me your drawing. Now it's your turn. Tell me in the comments which character you'd like to learn how to draw next. I read as many comments as I can, and many of your suggestions become future tutorials on this channel. Your idea could inspire the next video, so let me know what you'd like to draw together.